Chatrahpati Shivaji Maharaj. Chatrahpati Shivaji Maharaj, one of the most iconic figures in Indian history. Early life. Shivaji was born on 19th February 1630 in the hill fort of Shivneri in Maharashtra. He was born into the Bhonsle Maratha clan, which had a history of serving various Deccan sultanates. Vision and ambitions. From a young age, Shivaji displayed a keen interest in military tactics and a vision for establishing a sovereign Maratha kingdom. He dreamed of freeing his homeland from foreign domination and uniting the Maratha chieftains under a common cause. Rise to power. Shivaji began his career as a warrior by capturing the Torna Fort at the age of 16. This marked the beginning of his efforts to establish an independent Maratha kingdom. He employed innovative guerrilla warfare tactics, such as the use of a mobile cavalry known as the Maratha Light Horse, to challenge the powerful Deccan sultanates, including the Bijapur Sultanate and the Golconda Sultanate. Raigad coronation. In 1674, Shivaji assumed the title of Chatrapati, Emperor, and was formally crowned in a grand ceremony at Raigad Fort. This event marked the establishment of an independent Maratha state. Administration. Shivaji was not only a skilled military leader but also an astute administrator. He introduced several administrative reforms, including a well-organized revenue system, a council of ministers, and a navy. His administration was known for its relative fairness and efficient governance. Naval expedition. Shivaji recognized the importance of a strong navy for defending his coastal territories. He established a formidable naval force and even undertook successful naval expeditions, including the capture of several coastal forts. Relations with Mughals. Shivaji's relationship with the Mughal Empire, under the reign of Aurangzeb, was marked by both conflict and negotiation. He engaged in a series of battles and diplomatic maneuvers with the Mughals, including the famous Treaty of Purandar in 1665 and his escape from house arrest in Agra in 1666. Legacy. Chatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's legacy is significant. He is remembered as a visionary leader who stood up against the mighty Mughal Empire and established the Maratha Empire. His principles of governance, valor, and fortitude continue to inspire generations of Indians. His forts, including Raigad, Pratapgarh, and Shivneri, serve as enduring symbols of his rule. Death. Shivaji Maharaj passed away on 3rd April 1680, leaving behind a legacy that would shape the course of Indian history. His descendants, known as the Maratha Chhatrapatis, continued to play a prominent role in Indian politics for centuries. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life and achievements are a subject of admiration and study not only in India but also globally. He is considered a hero of the Maratha people and a symbol of resistance against foreign rule, making him a crucial topic in the study of Indian history.